Beach cleanups always collect huge amounts of plastic food wrappers. Some food goes bad after 3 days. A plastic package can keep it good longer. That is why plastic packages are used. Plastic packages can keep food from being thrown away. The packages hurt the oceans, though. Fish and birds are hurt. They eat plastic by accident. They get caught in it, too. The Ocean Conservancy is a group that helps the oceans. It holds a beach cleanup every year. People clean up beaches around the world. The group has a list of things that were cleaned up. Most of them were food packages. Plastic forks and spoons were on the list. They were listed for the first time. Many food wrappers were collected. There were a long list of other plastics. Those were straws, bottles, bags, cups, and more. Recycling is not the answer. There were cigarette butts, too. Those are the ends that are left after people smoke them. They have plastic parts. George Leonard works for the Ocean Conservancy. He is a scientist. Cigarette butts are the top item every year, he said. Most things on the list can't be recycled, he said. Recycling means to make it into something else. People say recycling could help oceans. More recycling would have to be done. Many people did the cleanup in 2018. It was the first time that there were so many. 1 million people volunteered. They collected many pounds of trash on beaches. They did this in more than 120 countries. Lots of people want to help. People made a list of what they found. It was a big list. They picked up almost every kind of thing people use. Many toys were picked up. Some things were funny. A Christmas tree was found. The group is studying what was picked up. It wants ways to keep plastic out of the oceans, Mr. Leonard said. He thought about how many people picked up trash. It shows something about the problems of plastic, he said. People were giving their time. He said that people worry about ocean problems. That is why they help. The 2019 cleanup is on September 21st.